Calculate the sum of squares for the set of scores shown below. So my set of scores here is 7, 2, and 0. In this case, I'm just going to use the computational formula. And it should be fairly quick. I only have 3 scores. Now, just in case you're curious, they didn't mention whether or not this is a sample or a population. If it was a sample, I'm calling this little n. If it's a population, I would be calling this big N. But it really doesn't make any difference. I'm going to be putting in the value of 3 here, and so whether or not this is a population or a sample is not going to change my result. And that's all that they're looking for here, is the resulting value. So we don't know if it's a population, we don't know if it's a sample. It doesn't make any difference when you're finding the sum of squares. Okay, so to do this, I need to do this formula, I need to know my sum of x. And so 7 plus 2 plus 0, that makes 9. I also need to know the sum of x squared. So I need to square each one of these values. So 7 squared is 49, 2 squared is 4, 0 squared is 0. If I add these up, I'll get the sum of x squared, and so this becomes 53. So my formula is going to be the sum of x squared minus the sum of x in brackets squared over n. This is 53 minus 9 squared over 3. 9 squared is 81. 81 divided by 3 is 27. So this is going to be 53 minus 27. And what does that give me? That gives me, I believe, let's see, 53 minus 27 gives me 26. So the sum of squares is A, 26.